Hi everyone, so if you've been watching APEC, you probably know about the salt water lamp that Obama spoke to a local inventor about. Now, salt water batteries have been around for many years. Some people even think that the Egyptians used it as the Baghdad battery. So I figured I'd try and do it myself. So what I've got here is a basic salt water battery, and I'll just show you what the voltage is. So if I connect up here, of course this is very ugly, it's just a basic proof of concept. You can see we're measuring around 1.5 volts. Now that will basically fluctuate depending on how I wet the tissue and how I sort of tweak the wires, because this is a very temporary setup. So you can see now it's 1.2 volts and it fluctuates. Now if we take one individual battery and check the voltage, it should be around half a volt. So you can see here around half a volt. Let me bring that into a better view. And each battery is pretty much the same. Let's try and grab another one. So half a volt. So now you can see that I've got an LED here, and if I just connect, I've got one going to there, one going to here, and it lights up, albeit very dimly. I'll zoom in to show you that. So it doesn't light up very bright, but it does light up. Now you might be wondering how the battery is made. Well, this is just wet tissue. This has salt water on it. I just mix some water with salt and dip the tissue in it. And then we've got a anode and a cathode. One of them is copper, which is this one here. This is basically just copper electrical wiring from, commonly used in houses. And this is just a piece of aluminium, which is from a GI sheet, which I've just cut down to size. And then to keep them from sort of touching each other, I've just taped it together with a piece of cardboard between the two, which you can see here. So very, very basic. I did think about 3D printing something and making a really nice, something that would look kind of decent and light a few LEDs, put a joule thief in there. But to be honest, I don't really think that salt water powered LEDs or fans or chargers or anything like that is really that good. I would much rather just use solar, because it's not just salt water powered, you also have your electrodes, and they will corrode over time, which means they're going to need replacing. So to me, solar is just, it just makes more sense. But I just wanted to try this as a fun little experiment. Of course, I only managed to light one small little LED, so it's not exactly brilliant, but it's a fun little project. And I was watching APEC and I thought, well, I might as well just waste 30 minutes and throw one of these together quickly. So if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching.